So I made some slight upgrades to my dog treat machine here. So now I built an Android app to control it if I want to drive it around like this. The interesting thing is when I go search for George, it goes into this autonomous mode where it starts looking for George. And then it will also kick off a little mini game to keep me occupied as the robot searches for him. And it also allows me to do some simple voice commands and stuff through Google. So.
Where are you, George? Where are you,
Now I was
George?
driving around, get my little mini game here. And, then also I can click voice search here. What's 3 times 27? I'll put a little cool thing down here. So now I'll show it. Oh, let's see. Oh, let's see if it sees George here. No, not quite. There it goes. So you see that? It went and fired off that little dog treat. And then it stops for like 20 seconds when it sees him. Georgie, come here. He's a little nervous, understandably. You want your treat, bud? Oh, there you go. Oh. Pretty good.